Live better, feel stronger, the master on the way. From your plate to your purpose, we're with you every day. Healthy Living Series, come and join the wave. It's your time, your life. Let wellness pave the way.
Welcome to another episode of the Healthy Living Series with Master Arnold. If you're ready to take charge of your health naturally, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring a powerful topic, lowering blood pressure with a substance your body already produces, nitric oxide. If your blood pressure is high, your body is trying to tell you something, and nitric oxide might be the hero you never knew you needed. Stick around because in the next few minutes, we're going to unlock the natural secret to healthy blood flow, increased energy, and a happier heart. Nitric oxide, NO, is not a supplement. It's a gas molecule your body naturally produces to help blood vessels relax and widen. This means better circulation, lower blood pressure, and a reduced risk of heart disease. Think of it as natural lubrication for your arteries, smooth, efficient, and essential. High blood pressure affects nearly half of adults. Without enough nitric oxide, your blood vessels stiffen, causing your heart to work overtime. The result? Fatigue, headaches, shortness of breath, or worse. But here's the good news. Boosting your nitric oxide levels can help lower blood pressure, naturally, without side effects. Here are 5 powerful ways to boost nitric oxide naturally. First, eat nitrate-rich foods. Think beets, spinach, arugula, celery, and lettuce. These convert to nitric oxide in your body and relax your arteries. Second, add citrus fruits and vitamin C to your routine. Lemons, oranges, and grapefruit help preserve nitric oxide levels and protect your blood vessels from free radical damage. Third, move your body. Exercise, especially walking or light cardio, stimulates the production of nitric oxide. Your blood vessels love movement. Fourth, practice deep breathing or meditation. Calm breathing increases oxygen and helps your body produce more nitric oxide. Stress tightens your vessels. Calm opens them up. Fifth, prioritize better sleep. During rest, your body repairs blood vessels and boosts nitric oxide naturally. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. Want a quick nitric oxide boost in a cup? Try this power smoothie. 1 small beet, 1 cup of spinach, 1 banana, 1 a lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of chia seeds, and 1 cup of coconut water. Blend it up and drink daily. You'll feel your blood flowing with more ease in just a few days. A quick word of caution. If you're currently taking blood pressure medication, consult your doctor before making significant changes. Additionally, beets can cause your urine to turn pink or red. Don't panic. And while nitrates are helpful, don't overdo it. Balance is key. The bottom line? Nitric oxide is your body's natural blood pressure regulator, and you don't need a prescription to unlock its power. Nature has already given you the tools. Now it's time to use them. Which nitric oxide booster are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments. If this episode helped you, like it, share it with someone you care about, and subscribe for more tips in the Healthy Living Series with Master Arnold. For more inspiration, recipes, and support, join the Healthy Living Facebook group or follow @Master Arnold on Instagram. Health is not just what you eat. It's what you think, say, and do. Choose wisely, live fully. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode.
Live better, feel stronger, the master on the way. From your plate to your purpose, we're with you every day.